Hi everyone. In this video we're going to continue with our authentication for Blazor WebAssembly. Then it will log in and it will request for a token, and we will use that token to make an HTTP request to secure endpoint. And to make it a lot simpler, so we're going to test this getter here, and we will return you succeeded here. Alright, so we're gonna make this, is the correct spelling? um, we're going to make this very quick, so we're going to start this WebAssembly that we have here, our Blazor app adventure WebAssembly, and we're going to start the API. Thing. Don't you forget about me. Don't. Okay, I believe our API or our WebAssembly already started, and our API also started, and our test here together, we cannot access this because this is in authorized. So we're going to log in, and I believe we had it save our username and password here, so that it will not we're not going to generate again because we forgot what is the username and password. So we're going to put our username and password there, and then make a request, make a login, and then use this token here and log in, and then check our getter here again if we can access. You succeeded. So we're going to implement this in our Blazor app adventure. So when we log in, we're going to use that, go to login page, and then we say that this is this username and then this password, then log in. We should have the token here. So result the token. So in the result that token, we're going to save that into a local storage. So we're going to stop this for now, and we're going to inject this one here. This is how we are going to use our local storage. We're going to inject that into our login razor, and then we're going to say set item, and then here is the token, and then use the result the token here. Okay, and we remove this. Okay, so when you log in, and then it will redirect into a component that we're going to create. This is the test child. Okay, we're going to create a clean one so that it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, so we're going to say auth test dot razor, auth test.razor, and as usual I don't like it to be inside the razor page. I want it to be in a separate code behind. Okay, so we're going to partial here and then remove this, and then we're going to provide a route here called auth test. Okay, so auth test is there, and then we're going to say override on initialize async. Okay, and then this one here is going to make a request on this API. Where is that? This API here is going to try to access that. So, okay, so we're going to just reuse what we have here. So, yeah, as I was okay, hold on. We're going to create a button here. Um, protected, protected, void get test here. This is the button, and this is our HTTP request. So as I mentioned in our previous videos, this is not the um, best way to do this, to put the logic here or the HTTP request there. We should have a separate service to do that, but for now we're just going to do it like this so that you will see everything. Okay, so we're going to import the observable because we're gonna use observables here, and we're going to just remove that, and then subscribe. Okay, okay, so it's gonna be instead of get, we need to yeah, it's a get because this is a getter, so it's a get, and red string here, and we're going to display here the or breakpoint here the result. Okay, and this one here will be test. Okay, so like that, and we're going to add a button here. So a button get test, and then here is we're going to say on click. It's going to be get test. Okay, so like that, and okay, so when it logs in, set the token into this local storage, and then here in our auth test here, we're still going to use this local storage here, and then we're going to make it as a part of the header. So we're going to set the header here, but first we're going to get the token. So the token will be local storage that get item async, and then the token, and we're going to await that. Okay, and we're going to say await async here, task. Okay, so let's test this first. Let's test this, and I think we have an error here. We have to put a string there, so yep. Okay, whenever I'm alone with you, it makes me feel like Alright, so cool. We're going to log in, and then we're going to jbx at jbx.com, and then test 123. Is it the correct one? jbx at jbx.com, text 123. Alright, test 123. Okay. So it's set here, but we need to redirect. Why didn't we redirect there? How to redirect? Okay, so nav manager here, we're going to redirect after we had a successful login. Okay, so we're going to put this one here, inject that one there, and then in here, local storage, navigate bar, navigate to what is our route here? Auth test here. Okay, let's do this again. Whenever I'm alone with you. So we're 11 minutes now. I think we're should be a very quick one, but we're taking much longer than expected, and it has error. So yeah, I'm not sure what's the error there, but it's successful now. So we have to check here, and then we're going to see if it gets the token. Okay, so yep, so it got the token. So we need to find a way how to add the authorization, um, add it into the authorization as a bearer. Oh, I have to stop this first. We have to stop that, and we're going to add HTTP client. So this HTTP client here is going to have a additional default request headers that authorization is equals new authorization value should be a bearer and the token here, I believe. However far away, I will always love you. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so let's just try this. However far away, I will. Oh, so is it recorded? Oh yeah. So what we're expecting is this x here. This x here should have a value of you succeeded. Okay. 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 How many minutes are we in the? Okay, log in. Okay, it goes there. We are now 13 minutes. So we put already a breakpoint here. So when we do that, so we have a breakpoint here. If it succeeded or not, yeah, it succeeded, and it goes here. There should be you succeeded. Oh no, why is it hello world? Hello world. Why is it hello world? No, because we didn't put getter here. That should be getter. Okay, so test, and then the route is okay. So I think we got it. We're just going to do this again. However far away, I will always love you. However long I stay, I will always love you. Okay, so alright, so it gets the token, and then it goes here, and then we gonna wait in the console here. I yeah, sorry guys, I forget to make this 200%. Yeah, so you succeeded. All right, that's cool. So yeah, I have to make this 200% so that you can see what I'm doing. So here in the login, I injected HTTP, injected the nav manager, and then here we make an HTTP post request and then get the token, and then the token is being saved into a local storage with the with the key token. So the token is saved into the token key in local storage, and when it logs in, it will redirect into this component, and then I have put an on click here, and the button will call make an HTTP request, but before it executes that, it will where we took the token here from the local storage and then put it as a bearer, and then execute the request, and then that request we're using we convert it into an observable, and yep we we took or we retrieved the response. So that's it. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done yet, and tell your family and friends to subscribe as well. So bye.